how to delete your Amazon Alexa account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you guys should do is simply get into alexa.amazon.com, or you can actually open the Alexa app and then you can actually tap on devices. After tapping on devices, you'll actually need to tap on select device, right? So after doing that, you'll now get the settings option. Tap on settings, then you'll be able to see deregister option. Tap on it and then deregister devices. Then after doing that, you can actually get into your Amazon account. What you're going to do is simply you can either get into alexa.amazon account just like this, or you can simply get into your amazon.com, and then from there you can sign into your account. And after doing that, you can get into account and list. Then from there you'll actually be able to see the option of close your Amazon account. Tap on that one, then you can request deletion. Scroll all the way down to close account page, tap on it, choose the reason, check for confirmation box, and then you can tap on close my account and successfully request a deletion. So once you have done that, you can now open the confirmation email sent by Amazon by simply opening your email inbox and then click into link and complete a permanent deletion. And just like that, you'll successfully be able to delete your Amazon Alexa account.